There we go.
Yeah, she said let's do this.
Okay. Just give me something. Okay.
Do you want this or no? You're okay?
Can you see us?
Do it.
We're here.
Oh,
I'm trying.
do it.
Can you let Marie?
Someone.
What are that word things say?
What are the word things say? Oh, pretty. And you can read off the words. Big.
Spirit, what is your name, please?
It's not that.
It's not that.
Rich.
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 The name is Rich.
Do it.
We're ready. We're ready.
I went around it.
Oh. Are you talking to us? Can you see or hear us?
Oh, okay.
Can you see or hear us?
Something. What?
It's me.
Wow.
Are you guys talking to each other?
Bobby.
Bobby.
B-O-B-B what?
My nickname's Bobby.
Bobby.
Hi, Bobby. My name's Michelle. Nice to meet you.
What?
What?
Hi. We don't mean you any harm. Can you hear us, see us? You've been there for a minute with Leah. She's been
Protein.
holding us pretty well.
Do you want to meet now?
That's a funny one, actually.
Oh, it says religion. Sacrificing something? A goat?
We have the sodas out. And I think there's chips.
It's coming. What?
Who's coming?
Pizza.
I saw it.
I saw it, she said.
Seriously.
Quiet.
See, this one gets really
They got
annoyed when
mad
we-
at all of us
Yeah.
laughing.
Mm-hmm.
But this is the constant. Are you guys laughing or not?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
and
was
it
the
was
whole
mad.
thing.
It was mad.
We're
How can we help you? Anything?
You'll find it.
Take it.
You'll find it.
She
Oh
said,
my God.
find it, take it, take it.
Is there a message for any of us you want to share?
What is it that you like us to
Take your time. I'm scared.
Take your time. And what? I'm light.
What are you scared of?
Frantic.
But did you guys understand that part right there? That she said take it, and then she said take
Your time. Isn't that crazy?
But you said what do you want to take? What do you want to take, and then take your time.
But take our time doing what?
She's saying take your time. Wait. See, like I feel like I don't know. Think that they're talking to us.
Don't go there.
Again. Because you guys
No.
not once have they verified that they can see or hear us. And I don't know if it's just coincidental that some of their stuff lines up with her.
Can you say one of our names?
So we're gonna go in a few minutes. You guys are gonna go up, just get some air, eat some pizza, and then we're gonna
One went.
tour of the house.
Are you sure?
Be active.
Girls.
What girls?
What name?
Heavy.
Your mother.
Oh my God, again. You said what girls? I said your name and she said your mother. Whose mother?
Stop that.
Whose mom?
I think.
Yes.
See, like she's clearly not talking to us. The only thing
I don't know.
Did you guys ask whose mother?
Yeah.
It's fun.
You don't know whose mother. Are you playing games?
We're gonna take a break soon. Is there anything you want to say before we leave?
He's coming.
Can you tell us who's coming? Can you tell Marie or Leah who's coming? We have to stop talking.
Mom?
He wants to come.
Oh my God.
Daddy wants to come and he's coming.
And then mother and mom. Oh,
Okay, so now
my
it's
God.
pretty obvious that they're talking to each other.
And then
So
I
they
had
have
said
a lot
mom
to do.
over there earlier.
Yeah, that's what I told you. Yeah.
So I don't know that if our line of questioning helps them communicate or not, but it really feels like
Priscilla.
are we all on the same page that they
Don't
are
stop.
Don't stop.
As,
They don't want us to
as you
stop.
just said, you're about to take a break.
So
Who's
there was just
Priscilla?
something, right?
Does anybody know
And then
Priscilla?
maybe somebody was
Frightening.
annoyed with us.
Your sister name is Priscilla? Wow.
Is she here still?
You have to, of course.
You
Of
have to,
course,
of course.
like confirming.
Is she a full sister? Half
April.
sister? Okay.
April, that's the
April.
second time we had April. April was earlier. Oh, no,
Is
no,
that the month or a
really?
name?
I hear it.
This conversation.
They hear this conversation.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
Take the phone.
So maybe you're telling
You don't
us
even have your
you can
phone,
hear
so
us.
The vacation is booked.
Oh my God, we got it.
Where are we going?
I know.
So I feel like maybe there are some spirits that can hear us and other spirits that are talking amongst each other.
That happens a lot.
Yeah. Can you verify that? If there's one spirit that can hear us, are you doing okay? It sounds like you're annoyed with us.
Touch.
Can you tell us if you're trying to touch something?
It's lost.
It's lost.
Touch your lips.
Who?
Andy.
I said who and it said Andy.
That's my husband.
No way.
Really?
He's not dead though.
He's gonna come home. Yeah.
Probably.
It said dead?
Dad.
Oh, I was like, wait.
Dad.
My
So
God.
who's dad? Is dad the one who's coming?
Is it Dad Vogel?
We're gonna have to take a break. Is that okay? We can talk to you in other parts of the house.
It's me.
Oh,
It's-
there.
No, it's you. What?
So
You have to ask.
So do you guys, again, feel like somebody else talking to each other?
Yeah.
You can ask us anything.
You'll see it naturally.
Wow.
You're welcome to ask us anything.
It's investigating.
We're investigating. So do you
What's
see,
that?
I feel like they're looking on us. Like you have to ask them stuff. And
I
they're
don't want to.
investigating. And
They don't
maybe
wanna investigate.
look in on us. If you guys can hear us, this is a safe place where we don't mean you any harm.
Drive carefully.
Don't.
It's all fine.
Y'all brought these spirits, so y'all need to take them home with you.
Ladies,
Yes.
what is going on?
What lights
My IR light. I turned it off. That was me. Because
Stop.
our
We're gonna stop now, okay?
battery
We'll come
is
back and talk
done.
to them in a little bit. Is that okay? Can you tell Marie that we're done?
Can you wake Maria?
Would you see it? That was a
Can you
good
tell
one.
Marie that she's done?
Decades.
Can you tell Leah?
How